In this video of how to guide, I'm gonna walk you through on how to private your Facebook account. If you don't want other people to see your activity on Facebook, I'm gonna show you a couple of settings that you can manage to make your account of Facebook private. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Let's head over to Facebook first. Once you open up your Facebook app, what you'll need to do is tap on the menu that you see on the top right. Now, unlike Instagram, there is no separate option or no separate button that you can toggle on to completely private your account. So you'll need to manage a couple of settings. So from here, you just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, and again tap on profile settings. Inside of profile settings, the first option that you see is privacy. Once you tap on the privacy option, you can tap on the first option, which is check a few important settings. Now these are settings that you need to manage. Firstly, it is who can see what you share. If you tap on this option, you can tap on continue, and from here you can manage these settings. So if you want your email address to be private, your date of birth to be private, you can set it to only me, and also friends and following. So if you don't want other people to see your friends and pages you follow, you can also set these to only me. Once you're done, tap on next. This is the default audience, which means anything you post will be visible to your friends. So if you tap on it, you can tap on show more and manage a few other settings such as friends accept or specific friends. So choose the option depending upon your likings. Similarly, for posts, you can also do for stories, and you can also tap on limit. This way all of your past posts would not be visible to the public. So anyone visiting your profile on Facebook would not be able to see all of the posts that you made in the past. You can tap on next again and tap on next. Once that is done, you can again head over to how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on continue, and this says who can send you a friend request. You can set this to friends of friends except everyone. Tap on next, and this is who can look you up using your phone number or your email address. Also set this to only me. And lastly, it says do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. So similarly, if someone searches your name on Google, if you don't want your profile as a result on Google, you can toggle this off. Tap on next, and there you go. By doing these couple of settings, your Facebook account will be made pretty much private. So that was the video on making a Facebook account private. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.